Today, another haul. So right now we have some Arizona green tea for one of my clients. He also ordered some flavored water, which is a mandarin orange, uh, some Gatorade. He wanted this is the mild cheddar cheese, the cracker cuts, and then he wanted the gummy worms instead of the bears, Albanese brand. Very, very good. Skippy creamy peanut butter, pound of American cheese, a pound of um, pepper turkey. He has a half of Italian hoagie and a loaf of bread. Right next to it, I had to shop for the quad as well, so I got a large package of Bounty paper towels. Really, really needed those, guys. We were running low. Over here is another client's order. He put in for some Cheez-Its, hot and spicy. He got the Triscuit Thin Crisp Zesty Jalapeno. He have some cage-free eggs, Welch's grape jelly, original almond milk, bunch of bananas. Bagel bites, Arnold's wheat thin rounds. His special order was for Marie Callender's beef pot roast bowl and the chicken teriyaki bowl, which is sweet pineapple. He seems to love these two. Moving right along, let's get into this portion. This is actually the quad section, guys. So we got some ground turkey. We actually got two of those. We also got two of this pepper steak, package of chicken breast. Plan on making chicken parm, and of course, pepper steak with onions and everything with that, and gravy and green peppers, yellow peppers. I got a pack of peppers coming. Thick cut bacon. Here's the peppers here for the pepper steak. Then we got the 4 cheese ravioli, crinkle cut French fries, cheese lovers tortellini. We got some grape tomatoes, 2 bunches of bananas. We were running low, so we needed some cinnamon, some ground cinnamon. We got some heavy whipping cream. We're going to be making some homemade shrimp Alfredo and chicken Alfredo. We got some yellow rice, Spanish style. We got some sugar packs for us coffee lovers. We got 2 salad kits this week. So we got the sweet kale and we got the regular Caesar salad kit. Turkey Hill lemonade tea. Simply lemonade. This is strawberry. Strawberry lemonade. 2 cans of vegetarian baked beans. This is the Bush brand here. My favorite, vanilla bean coffee mate. 2 packages of brown gravy. This will be for the pepper steak. Then we got the True lemonade. This is strawberry flavor. And we also picked up some Crystal Light, which is fruit punch. We got our usual plugins, Febreze Gain Scent for COVID cleaning and make the place smell good. We got whole milk, a gallon. Clorox cleanup wipes, COVID cleaning. 2 packages of brown and served turkey sausages. These are the patties. We got 2 boxes because they didn't have a large box of the pasty cake, coffee cake juniors. We got some peaches and cream parfait, as well as some diced yellow peaches. We got the bowl and basket buttermilk pancake mix or waffle mix, and bowl and basket instant white rice. We got the Nabisco 12 packs, which comes with the Oreo, Nutter Butter, and Chips Ahoy. We have Doritos, the classic mix this time. We have Entenmann's Baker's Delight Cherry pies, and they really love these. These are the Entenmann's Baker's Delight mini pound cakes. We're going to be making parfaits with these. We have some whipped topping, some fresh fruit. And we're going to cut this up in a bowl and keep layering it and make parfaits. Quick parfait. Velveeta shells and cheese. And then we got 2 boxes of strawberry with peanut butter Uncrustables. We got 2 boxes of that. In the car, we still have 2 cases of 24 count Poland Spring water and a case of Mountain Dew soda.